Hello everyone, this is Shiva. Before I am showing the demonstration, some people will have the doubt about how water can improve our immunity. So let us watch this video completely to understand how water can build our immunity levels. Here I have taken some references of that fruits, waters and normal medicines. So which is the best way to increase our immunity levels? I'll demonstrate today and I'll show you all these things. The fruits I have taken here, this is mango, papaya, orange and kiwi. So 4 kinds of fruits I have taken. At the same time waters I have taken, some RO waters, Kinley, Bisleri, and this is alcohol, and soda I have taken for reference, and soft drinks, Sprite I have taken for reference, and this is the called as the Kangen water from Japan, and here this is the ORS, green teas, vitamin C tablets I have taken for references. So I'll show you the demonstration of all these things which is the best. So here oxidation level we can measure through ORP. So this is the ORP meter. This is ORP chart. Positive reading having the more oxidation, bad for health. Negative reading having the less oxidation, good for health. Let's check it out in our water. Kinley 250, Bisleri also. Bisleri also around 270, 280. I'm dipping on green tea into Bisleri. So I'll keep it hold for another 2 minutes. Vitamin C tablets I'm using, they are around 250 at normal water. So I'll keep some vitamin C tablets, 4 tablets I have taken. So I'm just dropping here. You can see gradually it is immediately reduced. So again here, earlier this is around 250 to 260. Now you can see slightly it was reduced. From 50 points it was reduced. Let us see ORS also. This is the ORS. So for instant energy people are using ORS. Let us see what is the ORP and ORS also. You can see around 190. Still it is in positive only. Kangen water minus 700. Fruits and Kangen water. So let us check again. So this is orange, kiwi, mango and papaya. So first of all I will check in the orange. See, orange it is having the abundance of vitamin C. So we can see here orange having the reading of around less than 100. At the same time let us check in kiwi. Check in kiwi fruit. It is having the reading 140, less than 150 we can measure. Kiwi also one of the best fruit for vitamin C for immunity building. And this is papaya. Let me verify in papaya. See, even papaya also having less than 100. So almost it is less than 100. So here we are getting evidence of vitamin C. Taken mango. Mango less than 150. Less than 150. Let us verify in Kangen water. It is minus 670. Above minus 650. This is the difference between natural versus medicines. So daily we cannot take all these fruits continuously. We cannot take this many of medicine continuously, but we can take water continuously for 3 to 5 liters per day. That is the reason. So we don't get any kind of side effects with the water. The best way to improve our immunity without any side effects is the natural waters, that is Kangen water.